Hello, dears. How are you today? Hope you're doing great, enjoying your time, learning, and having fun. Okay, so today we have a new sound. First, we will start with a video about this sound. It's a song. Please listen to it, and I'll meet you after the song. Don't close this until we meet again. Okay, let's go and see what we have.
Huh? Hi, I'm Hoagie. Hoagie. Ping pong. Oh my, it's a volcano! The volcano is erupting, smoke and ash, lava flow. The volcano is erupting. Let's move out. The volcano is erupting, hot and fierce. Oh my, the volcano is erupting. What should I do? Help!
Daddy's here! Fill it up with rocks and stones, rocks and stones. Almost done! Fill it up with rocks and stones. There you go! Yes! We made it!
The volcano is calm and last. No more lava flowing. The volcano is calm and last. Thank you, T-Rex. Huh?
Search for Ping Pong on YouTube.
Okay, did you guess the sound of today? Volcano. It's the same sound for volcano. V, v, move. Yes, perfect. It's the sound v, v. Like what? Like van. Like what? Like very. Like what? Like drive. Uncle Vic is a delivery man. He's on his way to visit his niece and nephew. When he arrives, they all set off in his van. Vroom! They drive through the village to deliver some vegetables. The children pretend to drive going vroom. Everyone has a lovely time. The action: pretend to be holding a steering wheel of a van and say, "Vroom." Come on, let's all pretend to be driving. Vroom. Van, vest, very, drive, volcano, move. Okay, now let's listen to the song.
Tribix fan round the village. Tribix fan round the village. Tribix fan round the village. Ooh.
Okay, if we need to listen to the song, please play it again. Okay, so how do you write the sound? How do we write it? Let's see together. Slide down and up. So again, slide down and up. Slide down and up. Okay, can you all please do it in the air? Let's write it in the air. Slide down and up. Slide down and up. Super. Slide down and up. Amazing. What is this? What is this green piece of cloth? It's a vest. Vest. Vase. Vase. Violin. Violin. Van. van. Now, should we trace in our booklets, please? Come on, everyone, start with the tracing and don't forget, slide down and up, slide down and up. Perfect. Okay, again, slide down and up, slide down and up. Easy peasy, isn't it? Okay, now listen and color. Do you want to do it? Let's do it together. Let's solve this together. Are you ready? The drum rolls. Van. Van. What will we color this van? Color it with your favorite color. Vase. Vase. I put my pretty flowers in the vase. Vest. Vest. I love my vest. Mug. Is that a V? No, it's not. It starts with a M, not a V. So, van, vase, vest. Let's listen and write the first sound. What's the first picture on the left? It says volcano. Let's remember the song. The first song was about a volcano. Volcano. What about the second picture? It's this is a doctor and she's treating a dog. So this is a vet. Vet. These are, I see carrots and I see different. Come on, can you guess? Yes, perfect. Vegetables. Vegetables. Excellent work. Thank you for listening.